Working on this 2016 Jeep Wrangler 4x4, and I wanted to share this quick example with you why if you hear your brakes making noise or grinding, it's probably a good idea to bring your car, get it checked out somewhere, or pull the wheels off yourself and do some inspections. So this person said they had some grinding, but they really didn't have the time to look at it.
But I am very busy, as I imagine you are.
So they continued driving. Then the brake pedal started going all the way to the floor, and they had a pretty good loss of brakes, but it was still able to stop. So they drove it in, and you can see here it's got brake fluid sprayed all up in the wheel well. And what we have here is something that I see pretty common, at least 10 times a year, I'd say. But basically this inner pad started grinding on the rotor, and then it got so thin that it spit it up here. So now the pad's actually not where it's supposed to be, because it should be down here in between the caliper piston and the rotor, but now the piston has come out so far that the piston's grinding on the rotor, and of course that means that the seal can't work anymore in here, and it's spraying brake fluid everywhere. So definitely a dangerous situation, and you got grinding brakes, you might want to take a look at it, because then you're going to end up with bigger problems like this, and have to replace the caliper and bleed the system and all that good stuff. Take a look at this pad here. Yeah, so I mean, that's not good. And with the caliper off the car, you can see that piston did come fully out of there. It's got a pretty good crack on the top where this was hitting the rotor. And yeah, otherwise you could get a new piston for this and rebuild it. Here's the difference in thickness. New rotor on the left. You can tell this thing was definitely making noise for quite some time to grind in that much. Friction pad on the left. Yeah, metal to metal. Yeah, so I had to be making some noise for a little bit there to get grooved in that deep.
And an extreme example of a brake rotor getting worn out is this right here. Now whoever drove this car wore it down to the cooling vanes, which is pretty bad. And I could only imagine the kind of noise that this brake rotor made when they pressed on the brakes.
And now I should probably be saying something like, these are all the reasons you should subscribe to my channel. But the truth is there's not that many reasons you should subscribe to me. What I'm trying to tell you is, what am I trying to tell you? What I'm trying to tell you is, think of subscribing to me like a small donation that doesn't cost you anything. So hit that subscribe button, and hopefully I'll see you again.